Writing. Review of brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Brainstorming is to think about as many ideas as possible about a topic. Let's look at how you will brainstorm the topic, my favorite birthday. We can ask the questions when, where, who, what, and how. Firstly, you can think about when you had your birthday. So here you can think about your age or how old you were. You can also talk about where the birthday took place. Secondly, you can describe and talk about your birthday cake, who attended your party, and describe what gifts you received. Lastly, you can talk about how you felt on the day of the party and what you wish for next time. Pre-writing. In this step, you are going to use your ideas and thoughts from your circle map. You are going to organize these ideas in an orderly way. We are going to use a graphic organizer. Structure of a graphic organizer. The graphic organizer has three parts. On top, you will write your title and your opening sentence. The middle section, you will write the body structure, which consists of 3 events. The last section, you will write your conclusion. Let's look at example number 1. The title of the topic is My Favorite Toy. You can start your opening sentence like this. My favorite toy is. Next, we'll see the first event. In your first event, you'll ask the question, what happened first? We can think about questions like, when or where did you get it? Or, who gave it to you? In the second event, you can look at questions like, what happened second? Or, what does it look like? Or, what do you do with it? In your third event, you can think about questions like, what happened last? When do I play with it? Or, where do I play with it? Or, how often do I play with it? Lastly, in your conclusion, you can write something like this. I really love my. In the second example, the topic title is A Special Place I Visited. I'll start my opening sentence with I went to, and I'll add the country I visited. My second sentence that I will add, I will write, it was a special place. In the first event, I'll think about the question, what happened first? And because this is a brainstorm, I will think of what are the first steps that I'll have to take. Like, booked my ticket, my flight details, hotel reservation, and packing my suitcase. In the second event, I'll think about the question, what happened next? I'll add, I arrived safely took a cab to the hotel, checked in at the hotel. In the third event, I'll answer the question like, what happened last? I'll think about things like, I went for a scenic drive, checked out delicious food, had some fun activities, and attending relaxing spas. In my conclusion, I can write a sentence like, I had a great time at, and mention the country I visited. I can also add, I hope, and I can think about what I want to do next. Let's look at the student activity. In a previous task, you had to brainstorm the topic title, My Worst Day Ever. Today, you will be using the information from your brainstorm activity to complete a graphic organizer. Let's go over the procedure of completing a graphic organizer. The beginning. This is your story opening, which introduces your topic. When did the event take place? Who was involved? The middle or body has 3 events. In each of the events, you say what you were doing and what happened. How did it make you feel? You can also say why and how it happened. When moving to the next event, use a transition word like firstly, secondly, lastly, then, later, next, after an hour, and thereafter. The last section of a graphic organizer is the conclusion. Here, you sum up what you have written and add a wish or a hope. Now that you have learned everything you need to know about a graphic organizer, you can enjoy completing one. Thank you for being such awesome listeners.